What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys? And welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright? And for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. Okay, you already know we're making grilled chicken sandwiches. Now I'm going ahead and I'm going to be flattening out 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now, if you don't have a mallet to flatten yours out, you figure something out to flatten them. Or you can buy them frozen already flattened and just thaw them out in some water for a little bit. Now, we're going to get these on the tray, and I'm going to get these babies seasoned. Now, I've been on this kick. I've been using this seasoning called this Chubalicious. Now, today I'm going to be using the wing wub. Now, I got all the other different seasonings they have. They got some really fire seasonings over there. They know what they're doing with their seasonings, okay? So we just going to give this a generous coat. And I'm going to add a little olive oil on it and just rub that in because I am going to be letting these sit for a little bit to marinate now. Alright, now this particular seasoning got a little kick to it, which I really like. It was unexpected when I first tried it, so I was really excited about that. Now, while that's marinating, we're going to grill these buns. Alright, now I'm using the bacon grease that a little bit of drippings of it to grill with. And we're going to put those to the side. Now, we're going to grill our chicken breasts. Now, you want to grill them at least about 5 minutes on each side, and you do want to give it a nice little char, all right? Now, don't you make no sandwich like this. Don't put no char on that chicken, okay? Come over there and beat you. All right, now, we're going to put our provolone cheese on top of each one of these chicken breasts, and I'm also going to be adding in some Kraft American cheese. Now, I like Kraft. So that's why I'm being cheap. You see I done broke them in half there because it's expensive. And we're going to give that a nice little steaming. Now while that's steaming, I've already gone ahead and started putting our bread and buns together with a little cheese on the bottom and some onion. And now we want to add on top of the bacon of that melted cheese, all right? Now I had to hide this bacon. My husband came in looking for this bacon. So they be cracking me up when I make bacon in this house. They be coming. So we're just going to assemble these sandwiches like so. And I'm going to use some Chipotle mayo that's made by Boarhead. Now, I like this brand. It's a little expensive. It's like $4 for this little bottle. And in my house, once somebody discovers something that's really good, they go crazy. And, and then I be mad. I come and look for it, and it's gone. So, if you can find a cheaper version, that's good. But you get what you pay for. All right? So, you see I got those sandwiches together. Now, this is a good Saturday meal. You got you some chips. And then sliced up some pickles. You see? You dig? So, look at that sandwich. That is a really bomb sandwich. I tell you, it smells good too. I can't wait to dig into one of these sandwiches. I'm going to give y'all another look there. Don't that look good? I know you want to take a bite of that sandwich. I know you do. Go ahead. I dare you. I dare you to take a bite. I dare. What? Somebody done took a bite out my sandwich. Before I even tasted it. That's all right. I'm getting ready to taste me one right now. You see that? You bogus. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's fire. Yeah. I know you agree. You need to go out and make you one of these sandwiches. Alright? Now, I only made 4. Somebody gonna get 2, and I'm sure it's gonna be the king, because I'm not making no more sandwiches. Alright, y'all? So, I just want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Always, What You Cooking.